Everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will use fraction tiles and number lines to compare fractions. So today we are going to compare 1 1/3 and 1 2/8. We can do this with a number of different ways. We can use fraction tiles, we can use a number line, but today I am going to use this tool right over here that's going to help us kind of see how we can do this problem. So we are going to compare 1 1/3 and 1 2/8. We're going to use this by combining both our number line and our fraction tiles. These are virtual manipulatives, virtual fraction tiles. So first thing we're going to do is make sure this is checked to show the number line. And we have a number line over here already. Now we're going to go ahead and build our fractions. So I have 1 1/3. So the first thing I'm going to do is get one whole. And then I'm going to get 1/3. So here is 1/3. And I'm going to go ahead and line that up right there. So now we see that we have our number line and then we have our fraction tiles right next to it. Now let's go ahead and compare it to 1 2/8. So I'm going to get one whole. I'm going to put that right here underneath my other number. So now I have one whole and 2/8. So I'm going to find eighths. Here is 1/8 and here is 2/8. And so now we can see if I compare my 1 1/3 over here to my 1 2/8 over here, 1 1/3 is larger than 1 2/8. So my comparison statement will be 1 1/3 is larger than 1 2/8. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to our lesson over here. So if I put this down, 1 1/3 is larger than 1 2/8. All right, let's go ahead and okay, so let's review today's lesson objective. So today we used fraction tiles and number lines to compare fractions. Okay, thank y'all so much for joining me today. I hope this was a helpful lesson, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, everyone.